and battered around, been sent up and I've been shut down. You're the best thing that I've ever found. Handle me with care. Reputation's changeable, situations tolerable. Baby, you're adorable. Handle me with care. I'm so tired of being lonely. I still have some love to give. Won't you show me that you really care? Everybody got somebody to lean on. Put your body next to mine and dream on. Okay guys, I'm Vasco and today I'll show you how I'm playing Handle with Care by the Traveling Wilburys. This is the group of Bob Dylan, Tom Petty, George Harrison, Roy Orbison, and who else? That's one of their most popular songs. I'll show you how I'm playing it on a high G-string ukulele in the original key so you can practice along with the original recording after that. And grab your ukulele, let's go. Alright, so basically in the song we have three different parts. The part that George Harrison is singing in, the part that Roy Orbison is singing in, and the part that Tom Petty and Bob Dylan are singing in together. The main one is the George Harrison part. I'll come a little bit closer now to show you the little pick that I'm doing on this part. Alright, so we start with the chord of D right here, and what I'm doing is with the right hand I'm doing up, down, and for the up I'm using the pointing finger, for the down the thumb. Okay, then we grab the C chord, the same thing, and then the G chord. And here I'm doing this E string 3rd fret, or actually you can play open G string, is the same thing, and then open A string, 2, 3, okay, so. Okay, and then we continue with C, and here G to E minor on the offbeat, and then C, D, G. And the second time that we're repeating this, instead of ending on C, D, G, we're just doing Handle me with D. All right. That was the little tab I wanted to show you. Now let's get back to the rest of the parts. We're also using this part as the intro and the interlude. Being beat up and battered around, being sent up and being shut down. You're the best thing that I've ever found. Handle me with care. And the second time we change the last bar. Reputation's changeable, situations tolerable, but baby you're adorable. Handle me with care. And here we go to the bridge, or the Roy Orbison part, which starts with G to G augmented, which I'm grabbing like this, just sliding, just the pointing finger, okay, to C to D. And we're repeating this 3 times. I'm so tired of being lonely. I still have some love to give. Won't you show me that you really care? Holding G and going to the chorus. Everybody got somebody to lean on, to G. And again, C. Everybody makes the mind too deep and dream on. And you get back to. And basically we're just repeating these 3 parts. If you want to, you can download the printable chord sheet. The link will be below this video. And I guess this sums up my tutorial for Handle with Care. Thank you so much for watching it. If you enjoy learning with me, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and you'll see me on the next one. Goodbye.